Hey there, savvy shoppers. If you love saving money just as much as I do, you're in for a real treat. Today, I'm diving into savings.com, the ultimate money-saving hack you didn't know you needed. Before we get started, make sure to click the link in the description below to get your exclusive discount. All right, let's talk about savings.com. This website is like a treasure trove for coupon hunters and bargain lovers. You know that feeling when you find a $20 bill in an old jacket? Yeah, it's like that, but with online shopping. Savings.com partners with thousands of retailers to bring you the best deals out there. We're talking everything from clothes and electronics to groceries and travel. It's super easy to use too. Just type in the store you're shopping at and bam, coupons galore. Now I know what you're thinking. Do these coupons actually work? Trust me, I was skeptical too. But after using savings.com for a few weeks, I've saved a ridiculous amount of money. Like, enough to justify my coffee addiction. You get the picture. One of the coolest features is the Deal of the Day section. It's like an ever-changing smorgasbord of discounts. You never know what you're gonna find, but you can bet your wallet it's gonna be good. And get this, they even have a browser extension called Deal Finder. It automatically finds and applies the best coupons for you at checkout. So you can sit back, relax, and watch those prices drop. It's basically magic. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Head over to savings.com using the link in the description below and start saving today. Your bank account will thank you. So to wrap things up, savings.com is your new best friend when it comes to online shopping. It's easy to use, packed with deals, and will make you feel like a financial wizard. What more could you ask for? Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to click the link below to get your special offer and start your money-saving journey. Until next time, happy shopping. Bye for now.